Perfect for beginners. This 31-inch skateboard is a versatile choice for both beginners and pros that want just the right balance of convenience, safety, and stability. It's the perfect choice for anyone that wants to ease into longboarding. Portable and lightweight. Thanks to a sturdy wooden build coupled with the lightweight, our skateboard for cruising makes the perfect companion for your outdoor trips and travels. It's easy to carry around, making it ideal for anyone that wants to skate anywhere they want. Sturdy and stable build. The complete skateboard deck is made using durable and sturdy maple wood to add strength and stiffness while also gives it a stylish flair. It offers more traction for your feet and gives better control when skating. The skateboard is suitable for all skill levels. The skateboard provides just the right fit for cruising, carving, freestyle, downhill, and more while staying stylish. The super cool graphics. It's designed with aluminum alloy trucks to offer more control and stability when riding. Thoughtful gift idea. If you're looking for a gift for family and friends that like to skate, then our wooden cruising skateboard has you covered. It makes the perfect gift for Christmas, birthdays, New Year's, Thanksgiving, and any other occasion you have in mind. Top reviews from the United States. Beginners and kids. My son is 9, he's a huge Sonic fan, and he wanted to learn how to skateboard. This has been perfect for him. We watched a video online from Tony Hawk about the basics, and he followed along and has been practicing with this board for 2 months now. The grip tape hasn't worn off, the wheels are all good still, and the board hasn't splintered or cracked. I loosened the trucks so it would turn easier than how it was sent by the factory. The ball bearings in the wheels help it roll smoothly and with little effort. It's also rated up to 190 pounds, so most adults can use it as well.